Hey there, we're Crystal and Eric, small town travelers and big time seekers of unique experiences. We like traveling off the beaten path and finding hidden gems along the way. If you like that too, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more. What's up everybody, and welcome to my new favorite place in the entire world, Ghent, Belgium.
We absolutely love Ghent. We spent the last couple of days here. I've also been here once a couple of years ago, and that's when I truly fell in love with it. But it's not on a lot of people's radar. Belgium in general isn't on a lot of people's radar, but we are going to tell you today the top 3 reasons why we fell in love with Ghent and why you absolutely need to visit.
I'm so excited. You should be too. Let's go. Reason number 1. Wander the incredible city center. There may be no better city in the world to simply set out and explore with no planned agenda. Packed to the brim with beautiful architecture dating back hundreds of years and simple to navigate, some of the most fun times that we had in Ghent were spent wandering the streets and the market squares. On a walk through Ghent, you'll stumble upon Gothic architecture, medieval castles, a little bit more on that later, and your fair share of amazing churches that will transport you back in time. St. Bavo's Cathedral is a popular visit, which holds the iconic Adoration of the Mystic Lamb. This renowned oil painting, also known as the Ghent Altarpiece, is said by some to be the most amazing painting they've ever seen, but it will cost you about €16 to see it for yourself. If modern or contemporary architecture is more your speed, then you might be surprised to know Ghent has something for you as well. In addition, or to some in contrast, to Ghent's historic backdrop, you'll also find an array of modern pieces. Stadshall, the city pavilion, specifically sparked a bit of a controversy with its modern barn aesthetic, but quickly became a staple of the community. In addition to the famed architecture, we recommend following the winding canals through the streets of the city. And if you're lucky, you might even stumble upon this Ghent hidden gem, a local pup who hangs out at his owner's shop all day.
Okay, my day is made.
And after you see it all during the day, go back out and explore again at night as the city comes alive. The buildings only become more beautiful, shining in the lights. Reason number 2, dive into the history. One of the most notable pieces of history in Ghent is Gravensteen Castle. This medieval castle dates back to the 1100s and comes with a rich, tumultuous, and sometimes hilarious history. This is especially true if you take the audio tour, like we did, narrated by Wouter de Vries, one of Flanders' most well-known comedians. As he says himself, witchcraft, tournaments, adultery, and hefty religious unrest. The Castle of the Counts brings together all of my hobbies. Yep, count me in. And reason number 3, take a huge bite out of Ghent's unmatched food scene. As avid travelers with dietary restrictions, it can be rather difficult in some destinations to find something to eat. We're looking at you, France. In Ghent, Belgium, this is not the case. The sheer number of great vegan options is mind-blowing. For example, when asking if it was possible to substitute for oat milk in a cappuccino, the barista responded that oat milk is the standard, and added, "Who uses regular milk anymore?" Restaurants are often more than willing to make accommodations to meet your dietary needs. And beyond that, the food is so good. We loved Nolan Cool, which is a full-service restaurant where you can find amazing vegan comfort food, an American breakfast on one side, and a vegan market for take-home goods on the other. We also recommend Yalla Yalla Beirut, which has amazing Lebanese dishes with clearly marked allergen menus. Its cozy interior is the best place for a date night after a big day exploring the city. And of course, as this is Belgium after all, you can't leave without trying the famous frites, waffles, and chocolate. And you'll want to experience the beer scene in one of the many pubs, which we were so happy to find are non-alc friendly, and actually have menus of non-alcoholic beers to choose from. And for those who do like your liquor, you have to try a famous homemade Genever shot from this place that I definitely can't pronounce. I'm just going to write it on the screen. And as a bonus reason, and maybe the most important reason of all, while the beautiful surroundings, rich history, and unbelievable food will draw you in, you'll want to stay for the people. To say that the people of Ghent that we encountered were welcoming would be an understatement. Time and again, we had full-blown conversations with complete strangers, making genuine connections and having so much fun. Ghent is not only a great place to visit, but a place to return time and again. We hope that you've enjoyed this overview of the top 3 reasons to visit Ghent, Belgium. If you're looking for more off-the-beaten-path travel experiences and hidden gems, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more. See you next time!